Gone are the days when Yohji Yamamoto was just Yohji Yamamoto. The Japanese designer has introduced over a dozen sub-labels over the last 50 years, so here's a brief crash course. Yohji's very first line was called Wise, and it was menswear silhouettes re-engineered for women, similar to Junya Watanabe Man Pink. In 1981, he introduced his eponymous women's wear mainline, Yohji Yamamoto, and 3 years later he began to experiment with menswear as well, releasing it as Yohji Yamamoto Pour Homme. Along with the original Wise, there's also Wise for Men, which is a more accessible, less complicated take on Yohji's menswear, and it was just revived for fall-winter 23 after a 14-year hiatus. What can get a little confusing is that Wise for Men is not the same as Wise Men's label, which is the official male counterpart of Wise. Yohji Yamamoto Wise, a discontinued sub-label dedicated to suiting, and it's very similar to Costume d'Homme, which is French for men's suit. Sight is an online-only entry-level line that is genderless with a focus on anti-fashion, and Regulation is a more contained take on Yohji's typical experimentalism, like the name suggests. Ground Y brings a streetwear influence to Yohji's avant-garde design language, and Black Scandal fits somewhere in between Pour Homme and Regulation, offering printed items with strong messages. And of course, Y3 is a collaborative line between Yohji and Adidas, and it's been producing sportswear with a dark twist for over 20 years.